Welcome everyone to question merge to sorted arrays. So in this question, what we're going to do is we have to sort these arrays without taking a extra space. And how can we do that? We can do that by dividing this array 1 and array 2 in two parts. Let us say array 1 will only consist of the first four smallest elements. Okay, first four smallest, and this array 2 will consider greater elements than the first four smallest elements. Okay, this is how we're going to divide. Okay, for that what we're going to do is, as these arrays are already sorted, array 1 is also sorted, array 2 is also sorted. Now we will just iterate array 1 from the ending side, and from array 2 we will take the element from the left side. Okay, now let us compare one by one. So whenever we'll compare, if the this element is smaller, if array 1 element is smaller, then we will not change the position. If array 1 element is greater than the array 2 element, then we will have to swap the elements. So we'll get the first four smallest elements inside the array 1. Okay, after doing that, we will reduce our index in array 1 and we will increase our index in array 2. Okay, let us start our comparisons now. Now 7 and 0. So 0 is the smallest, not the 7. So 0 will become here. Okay, we have new elements 1, 3, 5, 0 now. And inside this array 2, we will have 7, 2, 6, 8, and 9. Now, first swap has been done. Coming to the next element, 5 here. Okay, this is our 5 element. And this inside this will be 2 element. Now, out of 5 and 2, 2 is the smallest again. Now we have to swap it. After swapping, we will be getting 1, 3, 2, 0. Now inside the next array, we will be having 7, 5, 6, 8, 9. Fine. Now again, one index will be reduced. In array 1, it will come to here. In array 2, it will be at the middle position. Now out of 3 and 6, what is the smallest element? 3 is the smallest. So there will be no change here. We will reduce our element to the next index. Okay, we don't have to swap in this case. The elements will remain as it is. Now we will update again the next index in array 2. Out of 8 and 1, 1 is the smallest, right? So if 1 is the smallest element, again we don't have to swap. This element will remain the same. Okay, whenever it touches the boundary conditions, like array 1 has length of 4. So we have already iterated 4 values. So whenever it completes the iteration, then we will stop our loop here. Okay, after stopping the loop, we will just sort array 1. We'll sort this array 1 and we will also sort this one, and we will return that to a function which automatically will print array 1, array 2. Okay, this will be our final answer 1320. This is what we have, and you can see carefully here the left side values are smaller than the right side values, and that is exactly what we want to do. Now we have gotten the smallest values. We have to sort those values. Okay, after sorting, we'll get 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now again in array 2, we will be getting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is our final answer. So the compiler inside the function will print 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it will print 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That will be our final answer. And this is the approach to it. If you have any doubt, how can we do it in coding? Let us go into the coding section. After seeing the code, it will be very much clear to you how we are doing this in the code. Now we are inside the coding section part here, and as you can see, we have taken our index I. Okay, and this index I will be used for iterating our array 1, and the j index will be used for iterating our array 2. Okay, now each time the comparison is completed, we will decrease one index from I and we will increase one index from j, and in each case you can see if array 1 is greater than array 2, we are switching those elements, else we are breaking out of the loop. After that, whatever values are there, we're going to sort them and we will just return to the function. So this is our code for this question. If you have understood the theoretical part and the coding part, it's very good. If you like the video, give us a like. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. We'll be very quick to respond. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in another question.